What is a motion to remand for class action in immigration? Imagine you are part of a large group of people all waiting for their immigration cases to be decided. Sometimes, cases need to be sent back for further review. That's where a motion to remand comes into play. It is a formal request to send a case back from a higher authority, like the Board of Immigration Appeals, to the immigration judge who first handled the case. This usually happens when new evidence or legal issues come up that need more fact-finding or reconsideration at the original court level. In class action cases in immigration, a motion to remand involves returning a group of cases, many individuals with similar claims, back to the immigration court for further review. These types of cases often involve systemic issues affecting many people, such as long delays or policies that impact families trying to reunite. For example, if a group of unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens are facing delays because of new policies, a class action might be filed. If new evidence or legal arguments are discovered, a motion to remand can be used to send all those cases back to the immigration court to be looked at again. This motion is useful because it allows the immigration judge to reconsider cases based on new facts or changes in law. It can be filed even if an appeal is ongoing and does not have strict time limits like some other motions. However, the Board of Immigration Appeals can deny the motion if the evidence was available earlier or if the motion is not properly filed. If the motion is granted, the immigration judge can make a new decision, and the case can be appealed again. It is important for families, especially those involved in class actions, to understand this process. If new information comes up or if there are procedural errors, a motion to remand can help get cases back to the immigration court for proper review. For families of unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, this can mean a fairer chance to have their case looked at again, especially when delays or legal issues are involved. In simple terms, a motion to remand is a way to ask the immigration authorities to take another look at a case, often for many people at once, when new facts or legal questions arise. It helps ensure that everyone gets a fair review, especially in complex situations involving family-based immigration and group claims. Knowing about this process can make a big difference when navigating the sometimes long and complicated immigration system.